The computer asks questions to figure out what you're thinking of, and you respond with answers. GPT works in a similar way, but instead of you answering questions, it uses a massive amount of data and advanced algorithms to generate its own responses. To do this, the GPT model is trained on a huge data set of text, which could include books, articles, websites, and more. The model then uses this data to learn patterns in language and how words and phrases are related to each other. Once the model is trained, it can generate its own text based on the patterns it learned. For example, if you input the start of a sentence, the model will use its understanding of language to generate the rest of the sentence. This is how GPT is able to generate new text, answer questions, summarize articles, and much more. It's like having a virtual writing assistant that can help you with anything from writing a novel to answering a trivia question. Another exciting aspect of GPT is that it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks. This means that if you have a specific use case in mind, like answering questions about a certain topic, you can fine-tune the model to do a better job at that task. This is a key factor that sets GPT apart from previous AI models. It's not just a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a versatile tool that can be adapted to suit different needs and applications. In conclusion, GPT is a fascinating and powerful tool that is changing the way we interact with technology. Whether it's generating new text, answering questions, or automating tedious tasks, GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. So keep an eye out for the next exciting development in the world of large language models. While the integration of GPT-4 into Bing is exciting, it's important to acknowledge the potential dangers and issues that come with incorporating such advanced AI technology into a search engine. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for biased results. As AI models are trained on large datasets, they can pick up and amplify existing biases in the data. This can result in search results that are skewed or discriminatory, and it's something that needs to be carefully monitored and addressed. Another issue is privacy and security. With the integration of GPT-4, Bing will have access to vast amounts of data about its users, including their search history, preferences, and personal information. This creates a risk of data breaches, and it's important that measures are put in place to ensure the privacy and security of users' information. A third concern is the potential for AI-generated fake news and misinformation. As AI models become more advanced, they may be able to generate fake news and misinformation that is convincing enough to be mistaken as real. This could have serious consequences, especially when it comes to sensitive topics such as politics, health, and science. In addition, there's also the issue of accountability. When things go wrong with AI technology, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible. For example, if biased results are generated, who is responsible for correcting the problem? The AI model itself, the company that developed it, or the user who entered the query? These are important questions that need to be addressed as AI technology continues to evolve. Moreover, there's also the ethical consideration of AI models being able to generate realistic fake videos and images which could be used for malicious purposes, such as creating deep fakes for political propaganda or cyberbullying. This raises questions about the responsibility of AI companies and the need for regulations to prevent malicious use of AI technology. Finally, there's also the issue of job displacement. As AI models become more advanced, there's a risk that they will be able to perform tasks that were previously done by humans. This raises questions about the future of work and the need for measures to ensure that AI technology is developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. In conclusion, while the integration of GPT-4 into Bing is exciting, it's important to be aware of the potential dangers and issues that come with incorporating such advanced AI technology into a search engine. It's up to us, as a society, to carefully consider these issues and take proactive steps to address them as we continue to develop and use AI technology. The integration of GPT-4 into Bing is just the beginning of a new era of AI technology. Large language models like GPT are only going to get more advanced, and their impact on our world will only continue to grow. In the near future, we can expect AI models to become even more human-like, with the ability to understand context and carry out complex tasks. This will revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it even more intuitive and user-friendly.